welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Masigitao, and if you are new here or it's your first time, please don't forget to subscribe and join this channel, and I would appreciate a lot. So as the title suggests, today we are doing cleaning and organizing my fridge. So it's not a big fridge and I don't have a lot, and I hope the video will motivate you to do the same to your house, to clean and organize your fridge. So guys, without wasting much time, let's get into it, and I'll first show you how it's looking and then we start cleaning. So guys, let's do that. From the top, this is how it's looking. So this is the freezer part. I have my meat, liver. Here I have chicken. I have ice cubes. I have ice cream there. Yeah, nothing much with this part. Then down here, this sides I have this, that. Here I have milk, but it's very dirty, so let's do this.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us. to trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highway.
So guys, I'm remaining with this grocery. I want to wash them and pack them well, and I store them in the fridge also. So let's do that.
And on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love.
So guys, I was waiting for these ones to dry, and they are dry now. So the next step is to keep them here for tomatoes, and I'll start with these ones. I'll start with the unripe one. And the ripe one, I put them here up. Then I'll put my so that is it for tomatoes. They'll stay there. Tomatoes, they stay there alone. Then I buy this one from supermarket, Major Grown. This thing is for packaging. So they look like this. It's just a storage paper. this one. So here I put my mangoes, not mangoes, my oranges. This one, and you can fold it a bit and use it for fresh air. That one. I take this one and I put these ones. This and this. Then I want to cook, so I'm not going to store this one because I want to cook them. So let's put these ones in the fridge now.
Get out of here tonight. Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna